all, do you hear me or do you guess me who I am? My name is Shishir. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my another video. In this video, I'm going to share with you a new topic. The topic name is practicing time at public speaking. So please watch my full video and follow or subscribe my channel. That's why you will be able to see my all content while I will publish my every single content into my channel. In this content, you will be helpful, and I strongly believe that from this content you will be helpful for your daily life speaking English. That's why this content is too much crucial and too much vital for your learning speaking English. And so this time for let's start it. Public speaker can say anything without fear, because fear is only one negative side that he can do this. So that's why when you speak English, that time you must have fearless. Fearless is the key. So don't be afraid or don't with fear when you speak in front of people. That's why I'm practicing. Practice makes a man perfect from this public speaking, and my dream is I want to be one of the greatest public speaker in our country. That's why I'm creating this kind of content. Please here with me and help with me and support with me, stay connected with me. If you are connected with me or if you have support with me, that time I will be reached my dream, or I want to be one of the greatest public speaker. I once said again this word, I want to be one of the greatest public speaker in our country. That's why I'm creating. I like making videos. That's why this is one of the greatest wish into my life. Public speaker can do anything without fearless, because that's fear is one of the great and one of the biggest bottlenecks for any kind of public speaker or any public speaker. So thank you everyone for watching my this kind of content. I can't promote my this content because time is very short. Next time I will connect with you within a short time. So please stay tuned with me and watching my this kind of content and support with me and connected with me until I back. Inshallah, I will back within a short time. This is time for let's ending my content, and this is time for say bye. Bye bye.